So another adventure, place I can't disclose because it's a secret waterfall that no one is giving anything away on social media. So where are we going today?
Trying to find this big waterfall.
Where is it?
I can't tell you, secret.
Next clue, gate.
Not much of a clue.
But it's going to be a secret, I can't give much away. Again, I can't tell you the altitude, where, what or why. This is going to be one from video, because apparently you'll be slaughtered on social media if you give the secret location away. Maybe Deco might tell you where it is.
It's more like Barbados. Well, a river will take us to it anyway.
What's the name of that river? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.